As Lunar New Year approaches, furnaces glow red from early morning until late afternoon in Binh An rice paper village in Hàm Liêm Commune, Lam Dong province. Local households work tirelessly to meet year-end orders, preserving the traditional flavors of rice paper for the Lunar New Year.
Made from pure rice and handcrafted using traditional methods, the rice paper produced by Nguyễn Thị Ngọc Dung has long been favored by regular customers who place their orders well in advance. As that draws closer, her family's workload increases significantly.
On regular days, we produce about 50 kilograms, but for Lunar New Year, it goes up to 60 kilograms.
The use of machinery has made rice paper production less labor-intensive at the rice paper workshop run by Lê Kim Phụng, while also creating jobs for more than 10 local workers and increasing output to meet rising Lunar New Year demand.
With machines, we can make nearly twice faster compared to doing it by hand. During Tet, output is increased to around 300 kilograms to meet market demand.
We are focusing on promoting rice paper products from the craft village to have expand markets and ensure all products made by local artisans can be fully sold.
Under new plans to reorganize production and apply technology, Binh An village is expected to continue preserving its traditional craft while adapting to the pace of modern life.